Green prawn pulao is a one pot meal. I have used pressure cooker to make this. Let us make the green masala first. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Take it in a mixie jar with 2 green chilies. Add 5 cloves, 3 cardamom, 12 to 14 peppercorn, jeera, that is cumin, and coriander seed, and cinnamon pieces. We will make this green with coriander. So wash and chop 3 tablespoon coriander. Use turmeric and little tamarind so that the coriander doesn't discolor. Now grind to paste. Now heat oil 4 tablespoon and add the sliced onion 2 numbers and saute this till light golden. We don't want to make it brown, that will change the color of the pulao. When it is light golden, we will add half chopped tomato. Don't add more, the color will change. Then add green masala with the spices. Saute this till you get good aroma. Add chopped bell peppers, red and yellow, so as to give it nice color. Shelled prawns I have used 250 grams and fresh green peas. So we have added the vegetables and the prawns in the pulao. Add 1.5 cup water. We will use 1 cup rice, so I have used 1.5 cup water. Now bring this to a boil. In a pressure cooker, add oil or ghee. Add 1 star anise and 1 cup basmati rice. I have wiped it clean but not washed. Saute this till crisp on low flame. Add the boiling mixture of the prawns and the veggies. Mix well. Add salt. Check the taste of the water, it has to be little salty. Pressure cook for 2 whistles and let it rest after the pressure releases also for 10 to 15 minutes so that the rice is perfectly cooked. You can check if you want after the pressure releases. Serve it with curds, and if you like my recipe, subscribe to my channel. Happy cooking!